see where we're at. It's locked. Climbed up that fuck shit to get past the locked doors. Mate, why don't the stairs work in this building? Okay, there was people up in that balcony. I had to sleep down here for about half an hour, but it's about time. I think I'm gonna do the non-lit up one because it's slightly less bait, and also I can take pictures of the lit up one. Bruv, we got this. It's a bit awkward. Fucking hell. Oh my days. Woo. This is unreal. Sheesh. Come on, look at these shots, brother. Just had to take some pics with the GoPro quick. That wide angle. Soak in that fucking view. Central London, Tower Bridge. HMS Belfast, Canary Wharf, and of course the Shard. Right. Oh, this is disgusting. Did the Shard just flash? What the fuck? Right, anyway. Fucking hell, this is intense. I'm gonna get down. If I could get more comfortable, I would have stayed here for a bit longer, but I can't really get comfortable, and sitting on this is too fucking much for me. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's better. Fucking hell. My foot wedged in there the whole time. A lovely London crane next to Tower Bridge. Sick. Peace. The cabin's open, I guess we should have a look. Oh, there is a camera. Huh. The wind speed. I'm in the cabin. Hey. They've got nice tinted windows, I guess, for when it's really sunny in the morning. Those sunrises. Oh mate, imagine sunrise from here. But we're not urban camping today. I believe it's going to be cloudy in the morning. But yeah, this is pretty dope. Wow, people really don't look up, do they? Until they do, and then they call the police. So you've always got to be cautious. How sick was that? Fuck yes. Spur of the moment climb. Favourites are always like that. Look at the shard, mate. Shout out to Nuisance and George King. Sick shit. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. These guys were vibing when I was up on top of that crane. Alright, so I'm back. I always forget the tube closes at night time, which was part of my plan. So that means I would have had to get a bus, which means I would have missed the last train by 10 minutes. Which is a bit of a bastard. Turns out we are gonna urban camp. I'm gonna set up here. This looks good. Chilling. Ah, fuck. I'm hungry. It's time to eat food. Good morning, peoples. Fortunately didn't get a chance to peek the beautiful sunrise. It's my bad, I was supposed to get up at sunrise and I slept in. Finally went to sleep, woke up at like 7:47. Just heard like bare Polish guys climbing up ladders all around me. Got seen by a few people, but no one cared. I don't think anyone spoke English on that side. Let's go over Tower Bridge. Yeah, damn, I probably missed a good sunrise, you know? Fuck. Okay, people. I think I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Peace.